Welcome to the brains of the system. The base station communicates with your sensors. If one is ever triggered, the base station notifies our monitoring center immediately. The base station has both a built-in cellular and Wi-Fi connection because older systems that rely on a landline are vulnerable if someone cuts it. The Wi-Fi connection means you can use SimpliSafe anywhere in the country, even in areas with weak cell connections. The base station also has a 95 decibel siren, plenty loud to scare off an intruder. And it has a backup battery that lasts up to 24 hours, so you're safe even without power. It recharges as soon as power is restored. To install the base station, you just need to plug it in. Seriously, it's that simple. We recommend placing it in a central location in your home. When you set up the rest of your system, the base station will guide you through each step with voice prompts. Advanced home security, 24/7 professional monitoring for less than $1 a day. There's no safe like SimpliSafe.